to our lecturer, Encik Abdul Aziz bin Mat Hassan, and my fellow friends. I'm Kasturi, daughter of Ganesan from ALS 2013L1 class. My matrix number is A20A1386. I'll describe about the packaging method that used by McDonald's company. According to Business Dictionary, packaging implies the wrapping or bottlings of items to form them secure from arms and amid transportation and capacity. It keeps an item secure and attractive and makes a difference in distinguishing, depicting, and advancing the product. Packing is the arrangement of item or product for legitimate capacity and or transportation. It may involve blocking, bracing, padding, stamping, fixing, strapping, climate sealing, wrapping, and so on. McDonald's had used bags which featured a mascot holding signs that read custom-built hamburgers and I'm Speedo from 1955 to 1961. In 1961, McDonald's had cleared the mascot and selected much more simple design for its bags. The packaging featured an early version of golden arches, which was used until 1968. In 1970s, McDonald's have introduced the cardboard hamburger boxes. McDonald's changed its packaging to foam packaging from 1983 to 1990. As its breakfast menu enlarged, the company added more takeout packaging. In 1990, brown bags were launched. To feature the illustrations of its food, McDonald's had updated the bag's design in 1993. The updated golden arches took place in 1995 and the design was lasted until 2003. In 2003, McDonald's had changed to white packaging. The company have selected clean look bags, featured images of whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, and fruits. McDonald's had redesigned its bags in 2013 more creatively, which featured the descriptions of the food. The company have returned to brown bags in 2016 until now. Nowadays, consumers are more conscious about the environment and buying products which cause no harm to the environment. To cope with that trend, McDonald's company is investing in sustainable packaging which is eco-friendly for their iconic food and beverage products. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Good evening to my lecturer. My name is Ravin Kumar Alaki M. Morelli. Today I will gonna discuss about the customer service of McDonald's. What is customer service? Customer service is the provision of service to customer before, during, and after the purchase of any product from them. Besides that, it is also been accepted as a series of activities that designed to enhance the experience of the customers. Nowadays, customers are more straightforward with how and what they expect and feel instant and also the answers. As a customer service, it is important for them to understand that it's their job to change the way of a customer feels and not the fact while they are talking or listening to a customer. In McDonald's restaurant, their mission statement is quality, service, convenience, and value. Dedication, loyalty, and service was taught to the employees in McDonald's in order to maintaining the family-like culture of McDonald's. McDonald's have three strategic priorities in their core values. The first one is to emphasize on their profitable value meal combinations, and it was a way of enhancing their message of McDonald's value-driven and motive in behalf of its customer too. The second one is to provide the exceptional customer care by exceeding their expectation. And the last one, the third one, is to remain an efficient producer without sacrificing quality through searching and different innovation in food processing, construction, and design operation that will increase global profits. Here, customer service was an important service in the success of any business, include McDonald's also. It can build strong relationship, factors such as knowledge, trust, efficiency, and also friendliness. That's also important in any factors and any industry in the world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sri Sharanya Suresh. Today I'm going to present about inventory management. The word inventory normally used to describe the goods and materials that a business holds for the ultimate purpose of resale. Inventory management is primarily about specifying the shape and percentage of goods. The inventory management is not only needed in the same places within a facility, but then it is also required from many different places and locations. There are many different costs to every job that is carried out in inventory management. The most important objective is to maximize the wealth of owners through the efficient inventory management. Management facing two major problems, which is to keep inventory at the stage where it is optimum and enough, and it could decrease the investment in inventory to maximize income and turnovers. A good inventory management system can bring advantages for few reasons. The reasons are having an adequate supply of a particular product to meet customer demand. The second is streamlined operations. The next is lead time adjustments. Another advantage is that the best inventory management can reduce liabilities and loss that will be created by overstocked. Why inventory management is so important is being able to know exactly how much of product you have balanced, and you will know how much exactly you need to be ordered. Effective and accurate inventory management is the most important for few fast food restaurants, including McDonald's. McDonald's uses just-in-time inventory management system. Just-in-time is the system that designed by corporate system to minimize the lead time of producing output and lowers the total amount of cost by continuously eliminating and identifying all forms of waste and variance. Objective in just-in-time is such as produce only the products that customer wants, produce products at the reasonable price, produce products in good quality with minimum lead time, produce products that could fulfill customers' needs and wants, and finally produce products without wasting labor, material and equipment so that there is no idle inventory. This is mainly to serve their customer in time without delaying, because McDonald's is named as fast food restaurant, so it is important for the restaurant to serve the customer as fast as they could. The benefits that McDonald's get when managing their inventory using just-in-time method is they can avoid inventory from running out of the stock in order to serve the customers as they ordered at the time. There are few types of inventory in McDonald's. The main type of stock is raw material, work in process, and finally finished products. In conclusion, inventory management of McDonald's will result in providing improved quality in producing the foods and deliveries because the ingredients will be super fresh. Customer service of McDonald's is also will satisfy the customers as the products is made only after the order received, even though they are using just-in-time in handling their inventories. By doing this, McDonald's is also could reduce the cost and decrease wastage of goods in order to maintain a good management of inventory. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bharatraj Madhavan. My matrix number is A20A1284. I'm going to continue with the transportation of McDonald's. Basically, transportation is all about physical delivery of cargo from the company to the receiver or customer. Accordingly, McDonald's uses transportation for two aspects, which is for the distribution of ingredient to McDonald's stores and also to deliver their foods to the customer. There are three different modes of transportation, such as carriage of cargo by air, by land and also by sea. In that case, McDonald's uses carriage of cargo by land, such as trucks and motor vehicles, to distribute their ingredients and deliver their foods. McDonald's uses well-designed trucks with maintained temperature setting and ranging for room temperature to frozen state to transport the ingredients from the manufacturer to distribution center and also as well as to the restaurants. McDonald's was the first company to transport the products and ingredients with cold chain logistics to maintain freshness and nutrition in every product. Cold chain logistics is a supply chain which used to expand and secure the service life of products such as fresh vegetables, frozen foods, and more. McDonald's have its own distributors and also other last mile delivery players such as GrabFood and Foodpanda to deliver the order food to the customer. main motive of the last mile logistic is to deliver the products to the customer as fast as possible. The first priority of last mile logistic is to satisfy the customer with right cost and perfect time management in every delivery. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzah Zaika binti Syaiful. My metric number 820A1374. I want to talk about material handling. What is material handling? Material handling is the movement, protection, storage, and control of material and product throughout manufacturing, warehousing, distributions, consumptions, and also disposal. You know what? For McDonald's, they do not have a large warehouse because their goods are taken directly from the factory, which is a logistic suppliers to McDonald's. There are two types of suppliers, namely wet and dry goods suppliers. Among the suppliers are Arista, Nestle, Dash Lady, and also Ding Ding. In the factory, the worker handle the goods very systematically. They use several tools to simplify the method of arrangement, to save space, and also ensure that the packaging of goods is not damaged. Among the equipment used are jack pallet, walking stalker, and other picker. Example of its use such as pallet jack. This is a tool used to organize this item at the bottoms and also serve to move items. Meanwhile, for order picker is also defined as the equipment used to select and deliver the material needed to fill the order from storage and to stock in relatively high place. After that, the goods will be sent to the McDonald's using a logistic truck that is by heavy company. Items that arrive will be checked for quality and quantity first. Usually, restaurant like this we only order stock ingredient that lasts for a period of 2 until 3 days only. This has become one of the rule at McDonald's that they will not let the food be exposed for too long. The goods are neither arranged on the storage, and the height of the storage from the ground should be 6 inches from the floor. Therefore, this material handling is very important to ensure that the travel and reception and also management of the goods run very smoothly and very systematically. Thank you.